Ever wondered if those robo-advisors, like Stashaway, actually deliver on their promises? Do they really give you money? It's a question I get asked all the time, and honestly, it's a fair one. We're talking about our hard-earned cash here, so we need to know what we're getting into. See, the world of investing can feel incredibly intimidating. Stocks, bonds, ETFs, it can all seem like a foreign language. That's where platforms like Stashaway come in, promising to simplify the process and help you grow your wealth, even if you're a complete beginner. They use algorithms and fancy tech to manage your investments for you, automatically adjusting your portfolio based on market conditions and your risk tolerance. Sounds great, right? But the big question remains, does it actually work? Well, the short answer is, it depends. There's no magic bullet, no guaranteed get-rich-quick scheme, and Stashaway is no exception. Investing always involves risk. The market goes up, the market goes down, and sometimes it can go down quite a bit. So, no, Stashaway doesn't just give you money. They don't hand it out for free. What they do offer is a platform that can potentially help you grow your money over the long term. Think of it like this, you're not buying a winning lottery ticket, you're planting a seed. You need to nurture it, give it time, and have some patience. Stashaway can provide the tools and the guidance, but ultimately, the success of your investment depends on a number of factors, including market conditions, your investment strategy, and your own risk tolerance. Now, let's talk about what Stashaway does do. They offer diversified portfolios, meaning your money is spread across different asset classes, which helps to reduce risk. They also automatically rebalance your portfolio, which means they adjust your investments based on market fluctuations, ensuring you stay aligned with your chosen risk level. And importantly, they do all this for a relatively low fee, especially compared to traditional investment advisors. But here's the crucial point, past performance is not indicative of future results. Just because Stashaway has performed well in the past, doesn't guarantee it will continue to do so. The market is unpredictable, and there will be ups and downs. You need to be prepared for that. You need to understand that investing is a long-term game. So, does Stashaway give you money? Not directly. But it can provide a framework and a platform to potentially grow your money. It's not a magic solution, but it can be a valuable tool for those looking to start investing, especially if you're new to the game and want a hands-off approach. Do your research, understand the risks, and make sure it aligns with your financial goals. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.